Hi guys, special for the US election, wearing my Hawaiian shirt today. In a way, not that I'm trying to move over, but well, Trump has potentially chances to grab majority. Senate led in the US positively for Republicans might cause him in the end after the Electoral College to win majority and hence turning into the new president in the US. Would it really matter for financial markets? Who is going to be president? Whether Trump or Kamala Harris going for the White House? Potentially not. Stock markets, as we found out in the past, were rising nevertheless, or say regardless of a president. So the question might remain the same, that some sort of potential differences in the politics might obviously cause certain sectors to move higher. Crypto markets, we shall look into those, obviously the index market and the dollar doing the special. News-wise for the day, nothing major here so far. Markets seem to be kind of really in and off kind of with the impactful momentum by the US election. We see here from a German news site, Tagesschau, how the Democrats and Republicans have kind of split roughly 266 votes for Trump so far, 194 for Kamala Harris. Seemingly a very tight race as it's being called by major and most news sources. So let's check out what goes. Well, today, the market opportunity. And as we said before, the US dollar might gear up some sort of momentum, which is clearly what happened. The market weakened in terms of the euro-dollar currency pair. The market obviously starting to depreciate further. There could be chances that the market actually weakens even further in favor of the US dollar, gearing up some steam. However, when the dust settles, we might see that the upside potential could resurface. The euro might actually strengthen somehow, pushing itself out of the woods here. Similarly to what we observe in the pound obviously kind of pushing a major move back to lower price levels. Question remaining the same here, 180 pips, 185 pips. Basically is what happened here before the market momentum, clearly kind of causing the market motivation here to push motivation towards lower price levels, obviously kind of causing the market momentum to push itself towards lower price areas here, as the market motivation here clearly shows. Gold and silver up to higher levels. Well, not too much. We can observe that the market motivation here, gold rising somewhat, causing the upside potentially kind of being back up to higher levels. We had this weakness here. We had this pin bar candlestick from last week, and this might call for further weakness. I would expect the markets to weaken basically somehow further. This looks like a nice retracement, actually, kind of when the market is ready to retest the waters. Here we could see downside momentum to basically increase. Why? Simply just because the dust is seemingly settling. Uncertainty has been taken out of markets, and should Donald Trump be the next president for the States, then obviously kind of some weakness as well might happen here. Some back to certainty in the market motivation. Similarly, silver prices look different. Silver might be more demand driven. The market is just trading and had traded towards the support area. There could be some further weakness here. Basically, the market is currently similarly trading as the gold price. However, the economic demand might be positive. However, the question with tariffs resurfacing again. Will Donald Trump impose further tariffs for the, in particular, Chinese economy? I might say yes, and hence obviously kind of the demand and the supply side might kind of act differently here in regards to what we observe in the precious metals market. And gold prices, similarly to the commodity market, As oil is concerned, oil had also started to appreciate slightly. Obviously, all companies in the US might kind of get a bit of a boost here. However, the medium term, longer term trend is what looks kind of rather slightly weaker. However, downside potential might only intensify, as we laid out beforehand, below the support area. Anyways, only there a trading opportunity might arise in this market. That's the majority of moves. Crypto markets obviously kind of quite interesting. One of the moves why Ether might push to higher levels, and technically it looked like the market weakens somehow further. Our little short position didn't play out well yet. Let's see how this one goes. However, Bitcoin might be the one which is favored rather by Trump, and Bitcoin's gain is clearly what we saw after, or the election aftermath earlier this morning, which was gearing up some sort of positive sentiment here. So this one, it could kind of intensify motivation here and could intensify the upside potential. We've tested the 70,000 psychological resistance area, and we are trading back above it. So that would be one of the reasons why the Bitcoin market might push itself to higher levels kind of in the next couple of trading days. Dollar strength clearly seen in regards to the dollar Japanese yen currency pair. This one seemingly moving higher, so upside potential might occur. The dollar against the Japanese yen are looking kind of quite positive here. Pound JP equally positive here, and the euro against the Japanese yen in a sideways pattern. So not too much to be seen here in this market as the positivity kind of moves on further. It seems to be that the markets are still getting some reshuffling of the current situation, and well, dollar weakness might be the outcome at some point. Dollar weakness after the recent strength in the greenback has played out. So if the dollar can build some turnaround candlestick pattern, if the euro and the pound could gear up some sort of momentum. One of the big news events are coming in tomorrow in and out of the UK. We have the interest rate decision, and we obviously also have the Fed's interest rate decision. Both could kind of cause market momentum to be quite interesting, and both could cause obviously kind of the dollar's strength to change direction. Leave your comments below the video, like the video, and happy to see you as a subscriber. See you then, guys. Take care. Bye.